Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn about Surah al Qadr. This surah is in the last part of Holy Quran, surah number 97. So we read this first. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna anzalnahu fi Lailatul Qadr. وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. Surah al Qadr is blessings of Allah. So many blessings, benefits of it, but I will tell you some of them that will be helpful for our health and for our life in different problems which are solved by this surah. It is a remedy for so many things. The first of all, if you read this surah 7 times every night, so inshallah your rizq will be increased and your eyesight will become more better. And similarly, if a person who has leprosy, that person will get healing inshallah. And some people who are in troubles and problems, so inshallah those troubles and problems will be solved and the person will feel better inshallah. So this way, if a person who is going to sleep and if read Surah al Qadr 1 time at night, his body and the whole house will be under protection of Allah inshallah. Similarly, if a person who has allergy, if you read Surah al Qadr 1 time on water and then give this water to drink to that person who is under allergy, inshallah that person will become better soon. Similarly, if a person who is under the different type of satanic intervention and the mind is becoming dirty because of satanic ideas coming in mind more again and again, and the heart is not feeling satisfaction, so then the person should read Surah al Qadr 3 times. Inshallah, the satanic intervention will be away and the person feel better and the heart will be satisfied. Similarly, if a person who is just to read it while going on the way towards job, so the person will get to respect and honor and increase in earning inshallah. Similarly, when you are making wudu or at the time of ablution, so when you have completed your wudu, so you have to look at the sky and read Surah al Qadr 1 time. Inshallah, your eyesight will be better and it will not be weak, inshallah. So the best thing, like some people who has a digestion problem because of the stomach is not feeling good, and when they eat something and stomach is not getting the food to be digested, and food digestion problem is there, or indigestion, something happen like this. So when the stomach problem, so you have to read this Surah al Qadr 11 times and blow on water and give this water to drink to that person who is under indigestion or food poisoning, or whose stomach is not in a position to digest the food, so that person's stomach will become better and the person will feel no problem of pain or digestion, so it will become better, inshallah. So Surah al Qadr is the remedy of so many other things also, but I told you some of them. So if you have to look after yourself with the help from Holy Quran, because Holy Quran is also shifa and also healing and health for us and also reward for us. So we can get so much blessings from Holy Quran for this life and the life hereafter. So we should try, and Allah's blessings will fall on us. Inshallah. Ameen.